Hi, it's Mindy with Patriot Health Alliance. To make sure you know how to use your Patriot Power Blender, we put together this short video just for you. You are going to love your Patriot Power Blender because it's super convenient, easy to use, easy to store, and easy to clean. And best of all, it's portable, so you can enjoy a delicious smoothie or other blended drink and so many other things nearly anywhere. Let's take a few moments to get to know the Patriot Power Blender so you can see exactly how it works and how to use it. This is the box your blender comes in. Let's see exactly what's inside. First, you'll find the blender itself. It comes all put together. We'll take it apart and look at all the features in a sec. Inside, you'll also find your instruction manual, your charging cord, and something special that other portable blenders don't include. This extra base that lets you blend and leave the blades behind. Pretty handy. But first, let's take a look at the Patriot Power Blender all put together. Now, your Patriot Power Blender does arrive with a charge, and you'll be able to make drinks for days without worrying about charging it back up. But when the time comes to recharge it, let me show you how that's done. Down here under the power button is a little rubber cover. Underneath, like so, is the power outlet. Just use the included cord to plug this in into the base and plug the USB into any USB power source. Use a plug like the one you use to charge your phone or plug it directly into your laptop, car charger, or even a portable charger like the Patriot Power Cell. Here, I'll show you. Once the display shows CH, you know you're charging. Once it's fully charged, the display will change to F for full. Here at the base, you'll find the power button. That's right, one button, no math, no fiddling with settings, just one push, and whoosh, the blades are ready to go. These stainless steel blades are sharp, so just be careful. But let me demonstrate one of the safety features of the Patriot Power Blender that you'll surely appreciate, especially if you have nosy kids or grandkids around. If I unscrew the cup from the base and push the button, the blades won't move unless the cup is attached. Very important. Once you screw the cup back on, you'll see the display flash ready to go. Here at the top, you'll see an integrated carry strap. It won't come off like some competitors. So you can rest assured with the handy size and strap, you're not going to drop it when you're out and about. This lid is really two pieces in one. I'll show you. Inside the lid is a strainer. So if you prefer your smoothie or freshly blended juice pulp-free, you can just strain it through this. Me, I prefer all the pulpy goodness, but the strainer is here if you want it. Now, let's make a smoothie. You'll see here on the side, the cup is marked with convenient measurements, in case you're following a recipe, but I'm going to freestyle this smoothie a bit. Let's add some fruit, almond milk, and for an added punch, a scoop of Patriot Power greens. A few ice cubes, and now we're ready. Just screw the lid back in place and make sure it's secure. Then just push the button. Now, you may find if you're blending frozen fruit or veggies or ice that it helps to turn it upside down to start, so the blades really get spinning good and fast before blending. If it ever hesitates while you're blending or you've really packed it tight, this is a good trick to know. The Patriot Power Blender has an automatic shutoff to protect both your smoothie and your motor. But usually you can just watch and see when your drink is at the right consistency, and with a single push, it turns off. Remember that travel base I told you about? Let me show you how that works. Just turn the blender over and unscrew it. Then screw on the travel base and voila, smoothie to go. Of course, even with the base, it's not heavy, so you can take the whole thing with you if you want, but you've got options. One last thing, while using your Patriot Power Blender is easy, cleaning is even easier. Just add some water and a few drops of soap and blend it up, then rinse and let it dry. It's a snap. I hope you enjoy getting to know your Patriot Power Blender and discovering new ways to use it. Grind coffee beans or seeds, make applesauce or hummus, even a quick salsa in a flash. And if you have a favorite recipe, let us know. I'd love to try it. To your health.